God, that's so good. That is on a string. It might go in.
So what are you doing to make it draw?
I mean, my dad is big on not wanting to change too much. So I mean, if I'm hitting a normal shot and this is my setup, if I just make the same swing, but I just move it back in my stance,
Yeah.
it should start
right. And that's
right.
only like a couple inches back
Exactly.
or something. Yeah.
And it should naturally just start a little right and then hold.
That one did.
And then you could do the alternative of like, obviously that's going to keep a little lower flight, but I could have, you know, here my normal setup. And then if I move the ball up,
Okay.
this is obviously going to go way higher, but it's going to start quite a bit further left and cut a good bit.